Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the GARLYN S-500, a multifunctional kitchen machine designed to replace several appliances at once and make cooking much easier and faster. The GARLYN S-500 combines 4 useful functions in one device: a meat grinder, blender, vegetable slicer, and mixer. This makes it a versatile solution for everyday cooking, whether you're preparing fresh smoothies, homemade minced meat, sliced vegetables, sauces, desserts, or dough for baking. The first thing you notice is the modern and stylish design. The appliance looks premium and fits nicely into both modern and classic kitchens. Despite its multifunctionality, the controls remain simple and easy to understand. One of the biggest advantages of the GARLYN S-500 is convenience. Instead of using multiple separate devices, you can perform many cooking tasks with one machine. The blender attachment is perfect for smoothies, soups, and sauces, while the vegetable slicer helps prepare salads and ingredients quickly and evenly. The mixer attachment works well for dough, cream, and dessert mixtures, making it useful for baking lovers. And for those who enjoy homemade cooking, the meat grinder function allows you to prepare fresh minced meat directly at home. The machine feels powerful and stable during operation, while the attachments are easy to install and remove. Cleaning is also straightforward, which is important for everyday use. Overall, the GARLYN S-500 is a practical all-in-one kitchen appliance that combines power, versatility, and convenience. If you want to save space in the kitchen and simplify meal preparation, this model is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.